going downhill. So yeah, I'm going to stay on neutral and enjoy the speed and also carefully turn. Look at this. Look at those clouds, man. This is epic. Thank God I have listened to neutral से हटा दिया. Thank God I listened to Pathak and it's fine. Be on and listen what to do. और सिंपल इतना सारा लग रहा है. Epic, dude. Roads are getting worse. I think better to have some control on the bike. Bike sounds very grunty right now. I'm not even accelerating, just doing it. 36, but I'm till 40 foot around 30. Just putting it in a third or third gear, I think. Look at that elevation drop, look at that view. This is the elevation that turn rate change. Just one turn gives us such a huge elevation. Look at that, man. Batman bun gaya wo. Cemented area prone to highway. Oh boy, आराम से. The downhill is even more scenic. Ears are again popping. Water is flowing down. Rainwater. We are inside the clouds, so now we just can't explain it. I have some clips on my phone. Unfortunately, I was excited and I took them all in portrait mode. Not in the landscape mode that you're seeing it right now. Still, I'll put it here. It's just awesome. Whole experience. Whole temple. We didn't go to the temple because we were there for the view that night. This is epic, man. This is a perfect adventure. Perfect. Guys, do you like the sound of the exhaust? It's very grunty. So what happened is there's a packaging or a gasket, a gasket kind of a thing that is there. The engine outlet pipe, whatever you call it, you can scrutinize me in the comments. But that connecting to the exhaust can, the 12 valve can for Dominar, that is not there. So as a result, the exhaust is kind of singing out, and this is just the brake pipe coming from the engine making this sound. Some of it is due to the exhaust because some air is getting pushed through that, but most of it is outside of it. I'm trying to shoot the parking truck here. Let's switch off the bike and try. I'm very hungry. Didn't sleep whole night yesterday, and we watched a movie, and then we just got ready and took off. Okay, we might have some intruders. Silent. So freaking silent with the bike off. So peaceful. Dude, this is awesome. Perfect monsoon adventure. Perfect. Just perfect. Look at the view. Greenery all around. The road in between. Riding without fuel. Can't be more eco-friendly than this. Just fun. Yes, scrutinize me all you want, and in the comments about I'm using my bike and obviously it's going to chill and all that. I'm just talking about the moment. Live in the moment, right? Live in the second moment. Oh, I'm recording. Yes. Just keeping the engine switch on. I think we are almost within the fence. 2 more turns. Maybe that. He thought I got lost. No, it's straight road. Sliding without anything. That's something written down here. I believe there are some diagrams about wild animals. I mean, this is a jungle. It should be wild animals. That's the definition. Speed increase. Just having the clutch and the brake is fine. Control. As 50 kilometers per hour. Guys in Bhubaneswar, guys in Pathak, I don't know, wherever, must keep coming. Keep coming there. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. This is the upper Maninag temple. This was the entrance that we got in from. Place is beautiful. Road is a bit treacherous, but if you have a bike, you know how to drive it, you'll reach. Destination, the experience is just uncomparable. Yeah. That's all, guys. Bye.